basically interface with GitHub. Before that, feel free to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, hit the bell button for more content. So basically today I will proceed with GitHub. So I will come and look for GitHub. Okay, this is it, GitHub, and then I'll come to github.com and I'll come to sign in. I'll sign up. Okay, I'll enter my email. So I have a demo email I've always created for my demos, and this is it is owendevdemo@gmail.com. It is owendevdemo@gmail.com. I will continue. I'll create a password. I'll choose a password. Too short. Okay, maybe compromised, but I think we can continue with that. Really, do I need to add on? Okay, okay, then I can continue. So a username, I can say Owen Dev Demo. Really okay. A username, I think we don't need the spaces. Yeah, we don't need spaces. So they like verify your account. They are verifying. I think we can as well check our okay, verify, protecting your account. Please solve this puzzle to know if you're a real person. This is use arrows just to check if we are still on. Okay, match. So we use arrows to rotate objects to face in the direction of the hand. Okay, so you're almost done. We sent an email. This is never. So I will check my email. I will refresh. Okay, I have this. This is my code. I'll just copy this, paste it here. Okay, so your account was created successfully. Please log in. Okay, it was owendevdemo@gmail.com. The password was did I forget the password? Okay, so welcome to GitHub. We are glad you're here. And how would you like to describe yourself? I can say I'm a working developer. How many team members will be working with? I can say just me. Say continue. Then what are the 2 things you want to do with GitHub? You can say contribute to open source project. You can check what I can check all. You can check anything that's it's like you can only select 2 options. So you can say I want to start a new project and I want to connect with other developers. So where teams collaborate and ship. So see this, we can continue for free, or they have got a different paid version. 15 projects of code space storage, that is every project is given 15 projects. We have 500 MBs of packages storage, free for public repositories, so we can continue for free. And visualizing dashboard, and this is it. So this is our GitHub account created. So the next thing is we can check for our profile and we can customize it. So in our profile it shows contributions throughout our time. We are in December 2024 and it shows one contribution. We can edit the profile, we can give a name, we can add bio, pronouns, anything we want. After this I will just head to my real account such that I show you, because it has got some of the things I really want you guys to see. So this is my GitHub. So this is what we have. I already customized this with my username. I can edit profile, I can see people I'm following, people who are following, and then I can see popular repositories. These are the popular repositories. Then I can see contributions in the last year. I have 665 contributions in the last year. So I can this is 2024, right? This is for this year. The green it shows less from the slate, I mean the black up to the lime green. It shows the different levels of contribution and how much you've contributed. So this is my 2024. It has been like this. This is it. I think I've tried my level based, been working on projects here and there, and it shows contribution activity, created 31 commits in 7 repositories, created 4 repositories, TypeScript. So in my 2023, when I check 2023, this is my 2023. January was not so busy to me in 2023 with 399 contributions. And then if I checked it 2022, this is when I was kickstarting, and my god, this was around late October and November, December. This is it, 48 contributions. This is where I began, but then this is it. It shows the analytics in the overview. So when I come to repositories, it will show you the different repositories you have, and after this video I'll make one showing how to create a repository, push your code from local machine to your GitHub account. So this is it. These are my repositories. These are my repositories. More are down here. You can press next, but then this is it. These are my projects on GitHub. I can as well come to projects. I haven't created any GitHub project here. I have packages, I have stars. So packages, you see there's the Docker, the Apache, the Nugget, the Ruby games, NPM, containers. These are the different packages you can use with GitHub. I have stars. I think I have about I have 6 stars. Yes, starred. Okay, this is it. And then on the right top you can check your profile, you can check your repositories, you can use GitHub Copilot, your project, your stars, sponsors, enterprises, and all that. So this is basically it with GitHub, nothing much. We shall be looking at how to push your code to GitHub. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button. We meet in the next video.